How to sign into TEMU account. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can sign into your TEMU account. First of all, launch open the TEMU app. If you do not have this app, you can download it from Play Store or App Store. Now, once you open the app, first of all tap on the Accept All option. Then you want to select the U tab at the bottom of your screen. Here you will find the option of sign in/register. Select that. Now you can use your Google account, Facebook account, email or phone number. If you haven't already created your account, you can simply do that. But if you have an account, then go ahead and select one of these four methods. I'm going to select Google account. Now all you want to do is enter your Google credentials. Once that is done, you will be successfully logged into your account. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.